Hello, welcome again. We are covering Indian Geography of Class 9 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 1 for CDS and Civil Services pre-exam. So we were discussing Indian monsoon. In this topic, we discussed the origin of word monsoon and where it occurs from 29 to 20 degree north to 20 degrees south, and the facts that affect the monsoon. These were the differential heating and cooling of land and water. Second was the shift of position of intertropical convergence zone. Third was the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar. And fourth was the Tibetan plateau heating. And fifth was movement of westerly jet stream to the north of Himalaya and presence of tropically easterly jet stream over Indian peninsula during summer. So these were the facts that affect the monsoon. Apart from this, we studied uh, the phenomena of southern oscillation. So that is the difference of pressure between this location on Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean on this location. So if we measure the pressure difference at these two locations, if it is positive, then it is a normal monsoon. But if the difference is negative, then there is delayed monsoon or average below average monsoon. So this difference in pressure is related to the phenomena of El Nino. So El Nino is, now in this video we'll study about El Nino. So the main point about El Nino is a feature connected to SO southern oscillation is the El Nino, a warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in place of cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. The changes in pressure conditions are connected to the El Nino, hence the phenomena is referred to as ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation. So this is your Peruvian coast in South America. So El Nino phenomena is related to the current that is flowing here, warm or cold. So this can be understood by a diagram. So this is your South America and this is your Peruvian coast and this is your Australia. And in normal year, cold water flows here. So equatorial winds moves warm water to this part to the west, and cold water flows here. But in El Nino year, the warm water flows here. The weaker winds moves warm water here. So when the warm water is flowing here, then it is El Nino year. So during El Nino year, the monsoon in India is late and weak. As we have discussed, there is negative pressure. There is negative pressure, and negative pressure means low, average below monsoon and late monsoon. And in normal year, the monsoon is normal and the pressure difference is positive. So that is related to El Nino phenomenon. So the change in pressure conditions are connected to El Nino, hence the phenomena is referred to as ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation. So further elaboration of El Nino is, this is a name given to the periodic development of warm ocean current along the coast of Peru as a temporary replacement of cold Peruvian current. El Nino is a Spanish word meaning the child and refer to baby Christ as the current start flowing during Christmas. The presence of El Nino leads to an increase in sea surface temperature and weakening the trade winds in the region. So this is about the Indian monsoon, and in the next we'll study the withdrawal and arrival of monsoon.